Hi YouTube, this is Rishabh and I'm back with some more problem solving on HackerRank using our favorite programming language, that is Python. So far, like all the videos which I did, like we had covered till strings, but it was not completed. So I'm going to continue from there. So the next problem which we are going to solve is what's your name? Let's go ahead and click on solve challenge. Let's read out the problem. It says that you are given the first name and last name of a person on two different lines, and your task is to read them and print the following. You have to print hello first name last name along with an exclamation mark. You just delved into Python. Awesome. Then there is a function description. Complete the print full name function in the editor below. So the editor is here, and then print full name has the following parameters. Okay, two parameters are given and we have to write the code here. Now what it means is that HackerRank is already taking care of reading the user input. All that we have to do is we just have to perform string concatenation kind of a thing, and basically we have to write it all on the same line. So let's just try to do that. Now let me just try to use this way of doing things. Let us just copy this from here only and let us just paste it. Oops, apologies. Yeah, hello, and then let's put these in this curlies, and not first name, it's just first, right? And then similarly in curlies, not last name but just last, right? Cool. Let me just try to run the code. Awesome. So Ross Taylor, hello Ross Taylor, you just delved into Python. So this is one of the ways of concatenating strings. These are called as formatted strings, wherein you can pass the variable inside of the curlies, right? I think we have already seen one of the ways where we use the plus operator. This is one more way, so it's great to know all of these ways. Now let me just try to submit the code. Cool, so the problem is solved, and given that this is a small problem, we will try to solve some more problems in this video itself. So yeah, let's go ahead and solve some more problems. Okay, so the next problem which we have to solve is mutations. Let me go ahead and click on solve challenge. So it says that we have seen lists are mutable, they can be changed, and tuples are immutable, they cannot be changed. Let's try to understand this with an example. You are given an immutable string and you want to make changes to it. So string is this, abracadabra. You can access it, access an index by this. So you can actually give this index and you will be able to get the value at that specific index. What if you would like to assign a value? So let's say you want to assign string 5 equals k. Well, you won't be able to do that because the string object, it doesn't support assignment, right? So here is an example. So what these are some hints which are given to us. So one of the ways is that we can convert the string into a list and then we can update the value because list happens to be mutable. Whereas one of the other ways could be that we construct a new string object altogether. And so here, if you see that we have to mutate the string, we are given the string, the position and the character which needs to be inserted at this given position. So in order to solve this question, let's take this approach where we are going to use the slice approach, and we are making a new string object by slicing the old string object. So let us just try to do that. So we are given a string, so we have to return, let's say, string till the position. Note that the position means, so let's say if I have written 2 here, if the value of position is 2, then the elements which will be considered are 0 and 1. So which means that this number itself is not included, right? Now what I can say is, now I can say character, right? And now we can say string position plus 1 and so on, right? Let's try to execute this. Cool, so this seems to be working fine. And now let me go ahead and submit the code. Okay, awesome. So all the test cases are passing. So this is basically teaching us that how exactly we can construct new string objects, and if there is any value at any index which needs to be changed in a string, then these are the two methods which we can use. Either we can convert it to a list, or we can use the slicing method. So yep, that's it for this video. And I think we have learned some techniques of string concatenation, and we will cover more problems in the upcoming videos. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.